Hello and welcome to Wellness Diaries on Top Joyful Talks TV. This is what we do every Sunday. We try to touchlight those important health matters, share insightful information, correct information, so that young people, will be able to take a good decision when it comes to their health. Today, we are talking about erectile dysfunction. In fact, so we're supposed to talk about this particular topic last week, but plenty glitches here and there will no fit, and I was even afraid. My heart just dey do boom 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 because I don't know whether I go fit pin Dr. Gochukwu again this weekend because he's a very busy doctor. But thank God Dr. Gochukwu is here with us, and we are good to go. Today we want to talk about erectile dysfunction. You don't hear that thing before. You don't hear that name, erectile dysfunction. You don't hear am before. If you never hear am before, I wan make you sit down on top wellness diaries today so that you go fit understand wetin e be. If you be man, no go far o, come close. If you be woman too, carry your chair sit down. If you don say I no be man, e no concern me, e fit concern your husband, e fit concern your brother, e fit concern person wey you know, you go fit help the person with the information wey you go get today. So today I dey inside this wetin I go call am now, okay, na my house. I dey my house now with Dr. Gochukwu, so we go touchlight this matter make we know wetin e be erectile dysfunction. So Dr. Gochukwu na a homeopathic doctor. If you no know wetin that one mean, also go and find out wetin e mean, but no be now, because before you go come back, you don miss plenty things. So after the conversation, go check wetin e mean, okay? So, and if you never also subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel at Joyful Talks TV. This na where we dey demystify a lot of medical issues. Say consultation e dey very expensive. If you go hospital now to see doctor, na plenty money, but here you can get it free of charge, okay? So subscribe to my channel at Joyful Talks TV. If you know say person need to hear wetin we dey talk about today, share this link so that this message go go far. So make we no waste plenty time. So Dr. Gochukwu is a homeopathic doctor with plenty years of experience. So that people no go talk say which person you carry come today, this person e dey gidigba, you know wetin e dey do. He holds a bachelor of homeopathic and surgery, BHMS. He also hold a postgraduate diploma in obesity management and a certificate in diabetes management. Doctor is well loaded, and if you wan talk to doctor, maybe because of wetin we wan talk about today, say plenty people dey shame this kind particular topic. Not be everybody go come talk about am, so we fit give you doctor number so that you go call am, he go tell you wetin you go do. So make we no waste plenty time, make we go straight to the matter. Doctor, I wan make you explain to people wetin erectile dysfunction mean, ED for short. Me, I no bite my tongue. Erectile dysfunction, wetin e mean, wetin e be, and how common e be for this our Naija.
Good evening, Doyebo, and good evening, our audience, our listeners. Yeah, when we talk about erectile dysfunction is the inability to get or keep an erection firm enough for satisfactory sexual intercourse. What it mean be say, for a man to say him be man, when he won't go into show, saying with your wife one play World Cup, he needs his man to be very erect. When he become erect like that, shows that blood is coming to that place. The blood they come that place, and when blood they come that place, he go stand gidigba. But when he no stand gidigba, when they even play band follow him, he no stand, no gree stand. You try and do this one, you do this one, you see strain because you go third mainland bridge 3 times in a day, and he make am. After some time, you still find this thing happening. Now know that you are suffering from erectile dysfunction.
Okay, so another question now be say, how person wetin dey cause am? Na because man no see woman when you go hold abi e too do, maybe e don overuse the thing sef, so the thing no gree for, e no gree answer am
No,
again. Wetin dey cause am?
okay. Things wey dey cause erectile dysfunction na like when somebody have something like heart disease.
Okay.
If he has heart disease or diabetes,
Mm-hmm.
say this person get sugar problem, or say him heart dey get problem, or say this person get high blood pressure,
Okay.
him blood pressure dey too high, or say him get high cholesterol,
Hmm.
or say him dey use tobacco too much. Na person wey dey smoke anything wey dey smoke, even if na pawpaw leaf him see, he go
Hmm.
smoke am.
Hmm.
Cause am erectile dysfunction. Or person wey dey take any medication wey he see. If because some time ago I was at Domino Pizza at Lekki, at Jakonde Lekki. I saw a
Doctor, you
young
go carry your camera come up small here so that we go dey see your face, because this information e dey very important. Mm-hmm.
wey dey take he dey put alabuku,
Mm.
tramadol,
Mm.
psycho. Na I come see am, I say bobo
Wetin be
me
all this
wetin dey
concussion?
happen? You so funky woman this night. You see that thing wey he take?
Mm.
That night he fit do like say na him get the whole world.
Hmm.
After that night,
You don
he fit
finish.
no use that thing play ball again.
Mm.
The blood wey dey come make e come for him body from the kidney, e dey too much.
Hmm.
And that's why we dey tell people, you don't need to take all those things and they just give you pill, make you put for mouth. You go
Hmm.
start to know you go die.
Hmm.
So we take all those concussions, or maybe somebody is having psychological problem.
Hmm.
E get something wey dey trouble this man seriously. E get loan wey this man hold, wey be say anytime wey he remember that loan, everything about him will scatter. Or say im marriage dey in a problem. Anytime we say, he say, if I wan talk to my wife now, na wahala. This
Hmm.
man into problem and start having erectile dysfunction. Or maybe he's having depression. Men that that are depressed will also experience this issue.
Hmm.
Okay, so this is many of the problem. For those who are taking drug, the sniff, the one where they take Colorado, they take all those things can weaken the system and cause erectile dysfunction. So these are some of the problems that can cause erectile dysfunction. Or that one has a hormonal problem, it can also cause erectile dysfunction. So these are some of the things. If we begin count, we fit not go. But
Okay.
these are some of the problems that can lead to erectile dysfunction.
Hmm. So doctor, you don talk now say na people wey dey take substance, even e dey even among the young people these days. You dey see them, they dey miss some kind concussion, they go say they wan go 3, 5, 10 rounds. All these things wetin dey explain now be say it's dangerous, e go even compound the problem for them.
You don't need to go all these rounds.
Mm.
What you do as a man is to make your partner to come,
Mm.
and you come. That is the satisfaction that is needed. It's not about how many rounds that you will go.
Hmm. In fact, young people need to hear this. Say that they use and they do betting. They dey bet. So they need to hear this so that they know say they do more harm to their health. Okay, now doctor, make we move forward. Ask another question. Wetin be how person fit take know say e get erectile dysfunction? Wetin be the how you go take do test take know say you get erectile dysfunction? Because I know say for this part of the world, person fit get malaria and typhoid, e go test come out, they go tell am say na cancer im get. You go begin drink medicine for cancer, meanwhile na just headache and malaria na im get. So how person go take do test come know say na erectile dysfunction na im get.
Okay. You know, as a man, you know your body when you started as a young man. There is a time that you will get to. If you are not able to replicate what you were doing before, each time woman touch you, he hold am, he do am everything. Some people fit put am for mouth.
Blow am
Even
for
after
himself.
no come up, then there is issue. You need to seek a doctor's advice.
So how they go take know if they go hospital now go seek the advice, how which kind test they wan do, you understand, so that they go take what are the I no wan speak plenty English because I no be doctor, wetin be the thing wey how wetin dem dey call the test wey they go do to say okay this one na for erectile dysfunction and na so they go take identify am say na im be no be malaria.
Okay, now there is a test. First thing is to do physical. Doctor will bring that man, this thing, something out,
Okay.
check am. When he check am, he know what? He will use psychosocial exam.
That
You
one na big
know,
grammar o.
use nocturnal penile substance. You go check am whether I know whether this thing is this matter. Because something else might be troubling a man and he's being prescribed something to go and take in the place of this when he's not suffering from this matter.
Exactly, no sir, I don talk am before.
Now there is also neurological tests
Okay.
that will be recommended for this person to go and do. We also have psychological testing. Some people psychologically they are down. And when they are down, they cannot perform.
So no be say they even need na just because they are psychologically down na im dey affect am, no be say any other thing, maybe they no eat well.
Yes, when that person is psychologically down, it will affect him. Because my people say, person wey house dey burn fire, e no dey pursue rat.
Na true talk.
So you need to now check what is really happening to me. What is my problem? Now, when you try to balance yourself, if you try to balance yourself and it didn't go well, then you know that something has gone wrong. You can now follow all that doctor is tell you to do so that they know exactly what caused you this problem.
Okay, so doctor don talk am, e say you go hospital go find out wetin dey do you, doctor go check you, you go run test to know wetin e be, whether na malaria abi na erectile dysfunction, because I know say for this part of the world we no really dey take good care of our health, we no dey see am as very important thing. All we do is wake up in the morning, we don run, we don go work, until the thing go come hit us hard, na that time you stand up, you no fit stand, na that time we go come go hospital. We get very bad habit of medical checks for this part of the world, but I understand, you know say economy too hard, you know, things no balance, but sometimes we need to take care of our health. So now doctor, make we go to the next question. This, what are the treatment? How if person now go hospital find out say na this thing na im get ED, wetin be the treatment? How they fit treat am? E dey treatable abi once you get am your own don finish be that? Na bye bye to your wife.
It is treatable. First, you know some they allow themselves, they go dey drink. Let the go woman wey get 11 months pregnancy. When that thing happens, this will now go inside. You become very sick. You won't be able to perform again. So first thing you do is not a test. You say now when the big now inside the big man. No. Obesity can affect you seriously. So
Obesity.
yes, in the case of somebody who is obese, First thing he go do is say he need to use his leg. He don't take anything for inside the phone. He need to first of all work on himself and reduce his weight. That's number one thing for those who are on the bigger side.
Okay.
Now,
In fact, doctor, that obesity, it be like na topic on its own. So we go find time we talk about in talk about them very, very well. So make we just concentrate on this one. That obesity as you talk am now, because I dey see some men maybe say, they dey 9 months pregnant. If you see their belly like this, God. So make we continue.
how you be there, and the woman want do something with it makes it like you too. I think when I want to now, that's all I go for money. Everybody go they just the do side, they go, they fight. I don't understand all this thing. They I understand. No, you have to work on yourself. Make yourself to look neat. And sometimes some women are also causing this problem.
How?
A woman is.
How woman take concern this one now? Now
Yes,
they come.
I want that mother come. Some women they see when a man sees them, man, if they want him body, they want, but as soon as he hear other, some get irritated so easily. And say, he goes there. No worry, I just come out from there. Because as soon as he perceives that other or sees dirty part, is gone out of it completely. So now, those who are smoking, still smoking, those who are different class, some people say alcohol will help. When we take off, we think the one we take, we last so long. You go last today, last tomorrow. Next tomorrow, you go collapse.
True.
Those who are taking alcohol and smoking, they should be. Those who are not exercising properly well, they should also exercise. Exercise does not mean you go to gym. You can do just a walk. A walk. Exercise walk is enough for you to be an expert. When you are handling your partner will be when even at 2 a.m. he said they will cook food for you. They will cook food for you because you have done your work well. So you need to exercise properly well. Then when it comes to medication, when those things you not come to medication. I tell people taking pills will damage your kidney and your liver. Because
yes, it go damage your kidney and liver.
Yes, pills. So not pills because when you go there, they say that pills can only help you. Are you going to do pills forever?
Okay, I want hear you very well. You said taking pills. I'll be taking milk.
Pills.
Okay, pills. Oh, okay, pills. Okay, pills.
Because these are part of the medication. So some people now take pills.
Okay.
But if I advise on medication aspect, I would go for natural that has no side effect. It is something that's what we call rejuvenation.
Okay.
It is not medicine you take now to sleep with a woman. No. It is something you take time to rejuvenate your system. To begin to go all over. Once you see your wife won't go back. If so well, fall for ground, you don't go and come back. The pills might finally do that because pills have caused so many people kidney failure. Or liver. So these are dangerous part of what men. So people will take all these high level preschool. I know somebody has died now because of those pills. He was and taking pills. But this time they come to club, not carrying one to home. And because he wants to carry a woman home, he wants to do 10 rounds before money will come. It
Oh,
is not how many rounds.
that's
What
what it take
man
in life. Mm.
of you are going to be?
Hmm.
To a woman, and that woman did not get your orgasm, you have not done anything.
Abi you no go kill yourself on top of woman matter.
Just you didn't do anything.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much, Dr. Gochuku. So you are watching Wellness Diaries on Top Joyful Talk TV. If you now you dey join us, you don't miss, but you never miss plenty. You fit still catch up with wetin we dey discuss. This matter when we carry come today, e dey shame a lot of people. And I don hear plenty things, because of the kind of when we dey do, we dey hear plenty things o. We dey hear things o. Only say we no fit just come out begin talk all the things wey we dey hear. From person fit no just come out tell you say na wetin I dey go through be this, but from one conversation you go add one and two together know say na wetin be the problem. And you know say if you bring money matter and this particular matter, e dey scatter home. Woman wan make im husband jollificate and the thing no gree stand. E hold am blow am fan, e no gree stand. That one fit cause katakata for family o. And you no fit talk am because e go dey shame you. Some people dey shame how dem wan fit talk. Say men get pride, dey get ego. How dem wan fit come out say my thing no gree stand? You sef think am. E no dey easy to just talk like that. So na im make me carry this doctor come today make we talk about this particular issue. So doctor, make we no waste plenty time. For my viewers, you can drop your comment. If you have experience, you can share your experience, ask your question. If you also want to get in touch with Dr. Gochuku, also put am for my comment section. Doctor fit call you, or you call doctor, you tell am how e dey be you. So make we go straight again now to the second part of this conversation. Say you talk about women, how they fit contribute to the thing. Now the question wey I wan ask now be say how women fit take help their husband, how they go fit help, because this thing you don talk about the psychological effect to it. You don talk about, even I sure say even get stigma. Person no fit come out just talk about and say na wetin dey worry me be this. So how woman go fit help im husband when dey go through this kind of health challenge without to ridicule the man, tell am say see you just fat for nothing, no fit do anything. How say our mouth e no too good. How we go take help our partners when they go through this kind health challenge?
When man touch you, say they want do something. Now, I didn't the other day why I asked you money, you know give me. The other day, as you want to touch me, that make a man to go back. Some people, once you don't tell them, then they say, how much, that's why I ask you. I just say you go give me that. Other people, they buy motor. They never buy, I did this. Notice, you're not helping that man. All those words, those words are not needed in the time. It doesn't, no woman needs to do that. Once your man begins to do, what you need to do is begin to rub his head, take it, and begin to also touch him, begin to use your fingers, begin to run all over his body, from his neck to his head, make it like as if you are touching a small ball. You are going to finger him. But once start nothing, and only when you want to come, only thing you want to deny is the come, they remember that the when you want that thing can kill and forget it.
Bad mouth. Say our mouth no good.
So, if your man comes, if there's anything you have been asking, allow him. Finish. When you don't come back, he say, you see, I allow you now. Maybe you are okay now. And that's why I do all these things, even against my wish. Even when I'm feeling fine, I allow you. That's why man don't finish. You are now trying to explain how you are feeling. Okay. But if you can't that you're feeling comfortable, you will be the feeling of that man outright. You will not start to. So some of the women cause them. If you never give me that money, you go, I know that love. And when imagine becomes too much, maybe just say, I saw you when I left WhatsApp. I feel of WhatsApp midnight that day. Who is the yeah? I'm no one can touch you. Now you tell all this one. Dramatically, that man is out. It doesn't stand. You know, in a man's form, if a man wants the woman, if the door is open, he doesn't know. But because the wired room, a woman, remember that the backyard door is open, the first they will ask you, have you closed the first door? The man wires straight up. The phone is wants to enter there and come back. But the woman can be saying 20 things at the same when that woman was right. But you can also forget all those things and allow your man to enjoy it. That would be the best way. Even when you see that this is not gradually, coming up, you don't mock him because sometimes this woman begin to mock. This is why I marry you. Over 10 years, why I marry you. I don't think what will come. I never do something. The only you just selfish. And you just come climb. Just no.
Okay.
Aspect. Because when I want to come, he say, don't come. I want to know if I please don't come. That is you're telling him, following him money and delay him and not come. And because you say the one you are still hiding him more. You don't need.
So, doctor, I want chip in this particular one as they talk about, how woman feel help the man. Anxiety, it contribute.
Yes.
I want to know whether anxiety. Say men, they get patient. They know patient no dey their diary. Their own are quick. So anxiety, it contribute to this thing when we talk about now.
Can contribute. Where I not contribute, they know that this just need new cards. That's like I want just today. Allow me to say and go like this, you just one rush and go. That anxiety just you get it to find yourself.
Doctor, how about stress? Because Lagos today, some people their office there for island, but they dey mainland. Before 5 o'clock in the morning, they don waka go work. Na night they go take come. They know they rest, no rest. So stress, if you even contribute to this thing when we dey talk about.
When you are stressed out, you are not doing anything. They will sing song for you. You are not going to dance the song. They will do everything until maybe that's why I tell some people. Everything not about they are going to be on nightfall. Everything is about midnight. Some people, when they are looking at what they are doing and seeing what they are doing, they have. But sometimes in the midnight, they don't do they go fall. Leave that midnight, right time. Because this time of midnight, some people are found out. So they still want to try.
But na woman na they always dey give that reason. Man dey give reason say I tire. Na woman na then they give that kind reason. I tire. I'm going to work tomorrow. I don't. But man no, I'm not sure say man they give that kind reason.
They tire because like where we are in can drive a bed. Sometimes if I go to the village, for a bed from a bed, this is someone that lives maybe around 12. I will get to Ogudu around 10, 11. Can you see how many hours I've spent on the road?
There are plenty hours though.
Those 20 hours you cheated at it. So what you need to do is when you get home, take your shower, eat your food, sleep. This matter for midnight. Come meet that woman by 4 o'clock in the morning. Not for her door. Tell her I don't come. You go see say, it's enough. If she don't, if they catch me, they allow you to enter. You will do very because this does not need grumbling at all. It doesn't need when I tell you, you will accept me. You don't need to grumble. You don't need to self tired. Even if you're tired, put it to yourself. And when I finish, I will say thank you for coming to the stage, even when you are. I will make it up to you. Yes, but if you grumble that time, you just, like I said, men are wired to forward. They have to think when they want to do it or begin to indulge in so many people. No. Everything a man wants to indulge in is the way you handled me last time, my God, you finished me. Now you are making that man to get more erection. Oh, what
So women need to get sweet mouth too.
Yes, women also need to say, babe, oh my God, I am not in a man who would make the way you handle. I get it now. So, this is what it is for a man to do it. And also, the most important thing is to be clean. Clean. So, wash your body. Wash yourself. Don't get all these t-shirts. And when they get the invitation, any little thing, some men, they hear one out of this, love their immediately, they don't want to, don't start.
Now make us the buy busters for birthday.
And one of the person is say, wife, not the day, sometimes 3 days. I begin to wonder, how can a woman not pay for 3 days? He no go wash hair, he no go do anything. He go open or he go argue with you, but the order coming out from there is very shaky. A man will not endure it unless he's a dirty man. But a clean man will not endure. A clean man will want you to prepare yourself to wear like down that is transparent. The body I come meet you and they have the those man that need it. That is what a man needs. Okay? So and it's also by the fact some women men also get it. When they come back, I don't say remain back when you come back, they leave this for me once they don't talk and down and don't go down. So it is vital that these people are supposed to bathe at night. No put their own no swallowing and not dirty and
when they brush their mouth though.
For you brushing of mouth is factors that you must do. It's not something that whether you like do it and you must do it 2 times a day. In the morning. So that up in the morning, practice it in the morning when you never wash your mouth. Your mouth will sit very sweet. Your wife to kiss you all around. Your mouth, your man, never will eat from morning to night. You carry and come in the morning, your mouth.
You go put the woman off.
Your mouth, yeah. You feel offended. Once you feel offended, you come. You can't leave the judgment to come. You did not. So, also make yourself also clean. And let it be vibrant. those two people can help themselves.
Hmm.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Dr. Gochukwu Najo. For you don't hear plenty things. They let too. Women, we need to be clean. Even men too. Not be only one person, though, because if one person clean and the other one no clean, na problem. And na that time you come begin here, I don't tire. But if the two of you are clean, you use body, nothing put me off like bad smell. I know they like am at all. So people should wear, dey expensive, just small roll on so that you go smell nice. So all these things too dey help the man, make him thing stand gidigba. Thank you so much, Dr. Gochukwu. But before we let you go, I want make you throw more light on therapy. How therapy fit help man wey get this erectile dysfunction? Abi e no dey help at all?
No therapy can help. There is a method that we EMS waiver.
Okay.
EMS shock waiver. Men that are suffering from erectile dysfunction, when they come to the therapy,
Mm.
of giving their medications and all this, they can use that machine to do it like 3 times a week.
Okay.
They will put the man with the machine to shoot on the shoot it. If you do it like 30 minutes per day, 3 times a week for like 4 weeks, it doesn't pay for day. But you must be a professional. You must meet people. It must not be a quack, because when you go into quack, you can get yourself injured, and that would be a man goes into impotency. So when the therapy is he can, he needs to know where is your, when they touch you, your face, how do you treat other people? When they want their breast, they off immediately. So you don't know. If they stop the penis, they go, they can't walk. So it's so different. And say to you, when you go to a woman, tell her to begin to touch my and begin to touch my face, touch my lips, touch my. And before you know it, because some men just remove your pants and they immediately enter beam, they don't enter there. 1 or 2 minutes, they are down here, they come out, and that is when they touch. It's not supposed to be put. There should be play and fun first. The therapist needs to find out all these things and not tell you this is why you are not getting better, because if it is where they employ the service of a woman to come and touch you in the space, when he's touching you and because they're going to be two of you, when he touches and you start getting, then you are sick. So that you don't have it shows that if don't care.
Thank you so much, Dr. Gochukwu. So before we let you go, what are the misconceptions you want to debunk? I don't hear plenty things about this erectile dysfunction. That person will get them, they get cure. Once you say you get them, your own don't finish. What are the things that you don't hear when you go like to clarify? Make people know, say, not be death sentence. If you get them, you will get help. So help us clear some of these myths and misconceptions.
Okay, so people will come and tell you that the erectile dysfunction is for older men. Not for it's because my parents is 85. See their quarrel say they don't stand today. 85. Because so it is not for other men, it is for all people. So it can come to any man. And people to say it doesn't have
Cure.
cure. Yes. The cure is that First of all, you need to do the practical ones, the physical ones.
Hmm.
Before that result, if the physical ones are not working, that is when you resort to medical attention,
Hmm.
or you resort to things that has to do with therapy.
Hmm.
Many people will say, they have tried everything. No, you have not tried everything. You have not tried the ones you know. So you are still going to meet more people to try more that you will get what you want and you will get the best of results.
Thank you so much, Dr. Gochukwu. You don't hear am now. You don't hear from the doctor. So say you get erectile dysfunction no mean say your own don finish. You no mean say you go carry your wife go give your neighbor make e help you there. You get cure. Just go to the right place. Go see a doctor and run the necessary test and take the correct medication. No drink Panadol for another sickness, or go drink another medicine for when you be say na only headache you get. So if you go to the right channel you will get help. So thank you so much. You can keep the message coming, you can keep your comment coming. Go to my comment section and put out your question there. Dr. Gochukwu will answer them. If you also need to maybe get the number, maybe this thing na wetin you dey battle with for so many years, but you no fit, you no know who you go talk to, you no know where you wan go, you fit put am for my comment section there. I go help you, I go connect una make e help you out. Thank you so much, my viewers. This is what we do every say Wednesday